This is Boy Apro Emmanuel Guban Regulacion, and this is the beautiful
Chie.
Chie from Japan. Then I'm asking her permission to video reaction about the debut single of Soleil River Nation, Small Girl in the Big World. So what can you give an reaction about the honest reaction about the song and the sounds of the Soleil debut single,
Small
Girl in the Big
girl
World?
in a big world.
Yes. So what do you feel about the song?
It's so cute and
What is cute?
cute.
Yeah. So cute. Super. Woo! Wow. This is Boy Apro from Video House Express. This is from Japan. Chie. So beautiful girl, the beautiful girl in her big world.
World.
Yeah, in the big world. Yes.
world.
Yes, the beautiful from Japan. Say I love you.
愛してる
I say do you.
愛してるよ
Yeah.
あなた
Okay, I love you too.
うんうん
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Let you say you please say it's chika time. Mama mua. One, two.
近たい
Mama
Mama
mua. Yes. God bless us all. Okay, from Japan. Buruti sufai buni subitero kakete. Okay. Okay, let's sing. Yes. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. You feel it? You feel that, sir? Okay. Philippines. Japan. Okay. This is your barber?
No,
Oh, no. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Boy Apro. Okay, oh. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So nice. God bless. Okay, thank
God
you.
bless.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, let's see each other. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. The artist in Japan, you know Wagaki?
Hmm?
Wagaki band, you know Wagaki band?
Kaki
Yes, like this, oh.